Hi, students of class 9. Yashish today is going to teach you economics, and now I will do that with the help of this. Now, today we are going to start the topic: Will the land sustain? As we all know, land is a natural resource, and we need to be careful in its use. And scientifically, it has been proved that modern farming methods have overused the natural resources base. For example, where revolution is associated, where green revolution has been done, it has been found that soil fertility loss has taken place due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Continuous use of groundwater for tubewell irrigation has also led to depletion of the water level, means water level has gone down. And in environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up over the years, and once it is destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. And even it has been found that agriculture contributes maximum to the pollution because chemical fertilizers are used over there. Now come to this. As it is written over there, chemical fertilizers provide minerals which dissolve in water and are immediately available to plants, but these may not be retained in the soil for long, and they may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, rivers like lakes. Chemical fertilizers can also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil which are good for the fertility of the soil. This means sometime after their use, the soil will be less fertile than ever before, as it is proved by source Down to Earth, New Delhi. Now, how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? Now, come back to this picture 1.5 given in your book, Palampur village distribution of cultivated land. As you can see on the some bigger plots of lands are there, and some on the left hand corner and the right most corner you will find small distribution of lands are over there. That means yes, small farmers must be having small pieces of land. Maybe farmers are small depending upon how much land is available to them for farming, and large pieces of land depicts the land of the rich farmers which they must be having a larger piece of land. And this it is done in the case of your book with the help of a graph. This graph 1.1. Here you can see marginal and small farmers marginal and small farmers are those farmers who are having less than 2 hectares of land, and medium and large farmers are who are having more than 2 hectares of land. As you can see in these two graphs, these two pie chart, in case of cultivated area, marginal and small farmers have 44.6% of cultivated area with them, and the number of farmers who are marginal and small farmers are 85%. So it means 85% marginal and small farmers have only 44.6% area of the cultivated land with them. And in case of, and now come to rich, medium and large farmers, as you can see, 15% farmers are medium and large farmers, but the cultivated area of land which belongs to them is 55.4. That means it's an unequal or uneven distribution of cultivated land amongst the medium and large farmers and marginal and small farmers. So automatically, when after crop production takes place, rich farmers must be having a surplus. Surplus means excess after their consumptions. They must be having lots of crop so that they can sell that. And if they sell that in the market, automatically they are going to create more capital, more money, and with that more money they can buy tractors, threshers, and in next year automatically they will need less laborers. And in case of when we come to marginal small farmers, they already are having less percentage of land with them surely, and their population is more. As you can see, 85% of them have only 85% of farmers have only 44.6% of land. So automatically their crop production must be less, and they must be surely to have produced crop. The first they would like to have that at your home consumption, means at home consumption of crop will take place, and they must be left with less amount of farms produce or crops which they will be able to sell that in the market. So automatically next year, next season they must be having lesser amount of capital as compared to medium and large farmers. That shows that uneven distribution of land leads to this. Yes, rich farmers become rich with time and poor farmers becoming more poor with time. Now come to this, and for today students only this much. Okay.